Kia piki ake o rātou piro. Nā he tukinga pai rawe atu tērā. Engari, kei te haumaru ngā kaitākaro i roto i runga i ngā tuapapa tuatahi me te rua. Both players are safe at base 1 and 2. Nā, ka peke haere te pauro. E toringa kai tākaro kei tā ia tuapapa i nānei. Engari mo taku he. Mi whakaro hau ko haumaru katoa ngā kai tākaro. Engari ka uru mai a nama te kaumārua ki roto i te pawaka. Nama te kaumārua mō o tākau ko Jasmine Becker. Me te rākau i nānei. Ko tahi te hapa ki te kapa o tākau. 1 strike for number 12. First strike. Oh, geez. I myself, commentating, had to move back on that one. I thought the ball was coming in my direction. Two balls, 2 strikes. Otago need to make the most of this one. And the ball travels low on that one. Otago now in base 2 and 3. They really need to be clinical on this one. Bit of pressure there for number 12. If she gets this away, she needs to hit the ball out of the park so Otago can get a double run on this one. And she takes a walk to first base, and now we have all 3 players on our base. And I feel that Otago are able to pull something out of the bag in this inning. Number 2, Dylan Suttle, batting. Strike number 1 there for Bailey, for Dylan Arohamai. 2 strikes. Strike 3 there for Dylan Suttle. Number 47 for Southland comes into the box, Bobby Tatamaloid. First strike on number 47. Strike number 2 there for Otago. One ball, 2 strikes. Need to make the most of this one. And great work there by number 47. Home run there. And will she make it a double home run? And sure enough, 2 home runs there for Otago, and they close the gap. Only down by 2. Anei aroha kēnei kei roto i te pawaka i nainei. Ahi tukinga pai tērā. Engari ka tai atu tuatahi Southland ki te tuapapa tuatahi. Merera ka hurihia ngā tūranga ka wainganui i enei kapa e rua nei. And that's the end of the 5th inning. Ana ka ko eke tātou ki te inning tuarima. Ka te he no te kēmu tino miharo ko tēnā e te whānau. Aha ko he kēmu tino tata ko Southland ngā toa mō tēnei kēmu. Kia ora rātou horeri Otago. What an awesome match between Southland and Otago. Otago only down 2 home runs. What an awesome game between these 2 teams from the South Island. Otago showing a lot of resilience in the last inning just then. And it's been a pleasure commentating over this weekend at the Under-17 Nationals tournament in the girls division. A big mihi te whakata Māori for bringing this live stream to you all, to our sponsors, the supporters, parents, coaches, managers, officials, referees, and all the above. I'd like to send a big massive mihi to you all, and I hope to see you guys next year in the next tournament week for the New Zealand champs. My name is Amoringi Malisala, and I want to thank each and every one of you for tuning in into this live stream. Nō reira, kua pau te wai a tātou e hoama, a tērā tau pēr ka kite atu i a koutou, ki tēnei tūmomo whakataetai, he mihi maha no hoki ki a koutou, ka kite anō.
food is your medicine. If you really want good health, know where your food's coming from.
We wanted our children to grow up in the wilderness. The world needs kids like that.
Māori have always understood the best way to live on this harsh land. We can hold on to our tikaka, our practices, our traditions, and bring them into this day and age.
Get the MāORI Plus app. Download now on Google Play or the App Store with exclusive viewings and 100% ad-free.
Quite like top tier.
Watch us anywhere, anytime. Make MāORI Plus your mate and stream now.